think cybersecurity is only for hackers in hoodies, or that you need to be a coding genius to get into this field. Well, today we are breaking down the top 5 myths about cybersecurity careers that might be stopping you from entering one of the fastest growing industries in tech. Cybersecurity is expected to create over 3.5 million unfilled jobs globally by 2025. Yet many people hesitate to step in because of misconceptions. So let's clear the air one myth at a time. So, myth number one, you need to be a coding expert. Yes, coding helps in advanced roles like pen testing, but most cybersecurity jobs focus on monitoring systems, managing tools, and analyzing risk. If you know how to learn, you can start with the basics like networking and security frameworks, and coding can come later. Myth number two, cybersecurity is only for hackers. Movies love showing hackers in dark rooms, but real cybersecurity is much broader. You can be an analyst, compliance officer, risk manager, or cloud security engineer. Some roles are technical, some are management focused. Not everyone is a hacker, and companies actually need both technical defenders and strategic planners. Myth number three, cybersecurity is too hard to get into. Many people think cybersecurity is a rocket science, but that's not true. Yes, it has a learning curve, but there are structured pathways for beginners. You can start with the foundational certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Cybersecurity ISC2, Cisco CCNA Security. The truth is, if you have curiosity, problem-solving skills, and consistency, you can build your way into cybersecurity step by step. Myth number four, cybersecurity jobs are only in big tech companies. This could not be further from the truth. Every business, whether small or large, now relies on digital infrastructure, and that means everyone needs cybersecurity professionals. For example, hospital needs to protect patients' data. Bank must secure the online transactions. E-commerce platforms defend against fraud. Even startup needs cloud security to safeguard customer data. In fact, small and medium-sized businesses are often more at risk to cyber attacks because they don't have huge security budgets. So job opportunities exist across industries, not just at Google, Microsoft, or Amazon. Myth number five, AI will replace cybersecurity professionals. AI helps to automate repetitive security tasks, but attackers are also using AI to get smarter. But here is the catch. Cyber criminals are also using AI to develop smarter phishing attacks, deepfakes, and automated hacking tools. That means the demand for skilled human professionals who can think critically, adapt, and build different strategies is actually increasing. Think of AI as your assistant, not your competitor. AI can help you detect patterns, but only a human can make judgment calls, design security policies, and handle complex incidents. So the truth is, cybersecurity is one of the most accessible, diverse, and future-proof careers you can pursue right now. Don't let myths hold you back. Start small, keep learning, and grow into the role that fits you best. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech career insights and tutorials, and drop your question about cybersecurity careers in the comments below. I would love to answer them. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.